And then it makes 100.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. We have to times it by not quite 50, because we need the side with the 4 to get to 100.
25?
Yeah, we times them both by 25, and then we get
50 to 100.
Yeah, 50 is 100%. So that means that the original amount of DVDs was 50%.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
We've not done ratios in so long. Like, it's been since probably last year that we've done ratios properly.
Yeah.
So that is another way that you could do it. Another way that you could have done it was to say, turn it into purple. To say that where X is the number of DVDs, to increase, actually no, we'll change it to Y. Y times 1.3 would give us 65.
Yeah.
Because 1.3 is that increase by 30%.
Yeah.
And then to work out what Y is, we divide both sides by 1.3.
Yeah.
Which then, if you put in your calculator, you will get the same answer as 50. Oh, so it promises it's DVDs.
Yeah. Why is the can we do another one like
Yeah? Yeah?
this?
Hang on, let me pick one of these. So we're doing this one. This is exactly the same, except that it's been reduced instead, so it's gone down. So if you do the ratio way, if the sofa's been reduced, what will 255 be equal to as a percentage?
255.
Yeah, 250. Can you see? If you scroll down, I'm on question. It's called question 10, but obviously. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it says that the price of a sofa has been reduced by 70%.
Yeah.
The price before the sale would have been 100%.
So what we have to do is.
But this new amount, how much is that equal to?
178.5.
Not quite.
I found the percentage of it.
Have you done it already? Right, let me do it. The two. Right.
178.5. I think.
Since this sofa has been reduced, we know that it needs to be more than what it was. The original amount must be more than what it is now. So the blue way is the way that...
364, I think. Yeah. 364?
Not quite. So I've done it in... I'm going to do it in purple. I'm going to keep the colours the same as what I did from before. And I'll do it in green. The ratio way. So this way is the way with percentage multipliers. So I've said, right, if the sofa was reduced by 70%, I would normally times that number by 1 minus 0.7, because that is 70%.
Yeah.
And that would give me 255. So I now need to do the reverse So I will divide both sides by 0.3 instead.
Yes. Yeah.
And that gives me the original amount, which is 850, which makes sense because it's more.
Yes.
The other way to do it is the ratio way. If the sofa has been reduced by 70% in the sale, this sale price must be equal to 30% of the original amount.
Yes.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yes.
And I can do this in a ratio way. It's going to be a little bit tricky because obviously 30% doesn't go into 100 very nicely, but what could I do?
Yeah.
I could divide both sides by 5 because 5 goes into both of them. 5 into 55 is 11. 5 into 200 is 40. 40 plus 11 is 51, I think. It might be. Yeah. And that is equal to 6%. So divide both sides by 3. It's not going to give me a very nice number. But that will be equal to 2%.
Yes.
51 divided by 3 is 17. I've just done it on the calculator. Hang on, I'll write this on here. What I'm doing. And then now that I've got 17 is equal to 2%, I can multiply this by 50
Yes.
to get 100.
Yes.
So 17 times 50. 10 times 50 is 500. 50 times 7 is 350. That's 850. And that is the original amount after the reduction of price.
Yes. Okay, so we use y. What's y?
Y is just the price before the sale.
So y equals to 850.
I could call it anything. It doesn't have to be Y. Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be Y. I'm just calling it Y because it's easier to put that in the equation rather than writing price before the sale.
Yes. So,
This topic is at the higher end of like a GCSE topic.
yeah.
So if you are finding this hard, you might not have learned about this for another couple of years.
It's a bit hard. Can
Yeah, it is quite hard.
so can we do number 8? This one.
Yeah. So number 8 is exactly the same as number 10 because it's been reduced by 45%.
Yes.
We'll finish number 8 and then we'll practice all the other percentage questions and then possibly move on depending on how you're feeling. Because sometimes it's best to take a break and then come back to things. But it's entirely up to you.
Wait. Is the answer? So is the answer 0.55?
Well, not quite, because this
What
is.
we have to do is we have to divide 300.
Oh, yeah. Divide. Yeah, go on, you've got it.
We have to divide 363 by 0.55.
Yeah, brilliant.
Then equals 660.
You've got it, yeah, brilliant.
It's because we done this question last time.
Oh, did we? There's only so many questions
Yeah.
that I can find. So, oh well, there you go. Well, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, you've done it, you've cracked it.
Yeah. You've done it last time. Yeah. So the next question. Scroll down. Let's see.
Okay, let's have a look for another question. Preferably one that you've not done. Do you want another one this style, or do you want one just general percentage question?
General percentage question.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
50%.
That's me.
Yeah. I have a question. What is the general percentage question once?
By general percentage, I just mean
Right? Like, is it on like 50% of 50?
By general percentage questions, I just mean percentage questions like percentage change, or just like, for example, let's have a look. Let me find some percentages. Like this might be, this is two examples. So in this one, we've got find a percentage of this,
Yeah.
and then this one we've got just reduced by 16%.
Yeah, I can't see it now. It was there and then it disappeared.
Oh, you can't see.
Okay,
It was there.
Oh,
Can
it's
you
there.
see it now?
Oh, it just disappeared. It keeps coming and it keeps going.
Okay, I'll delete it now. I'll repaste it. I had a lesson on Monday with somebody, and the whiteboard was terrible. It kept glitching, and the words kept disappearing. It was really, really bad.
Yeah.
I felt sorry for them because I was trying to teach and I couldn't.
Yeah.
I had nothing on the screen.
Oh, it's gone again.
It's gone.
It's not there. Try scrolling it down.
Oh,
Okay, it's there. Okay, it's there now. So what we have to do is find 45%. 45 to 90. 90. Is it 90? This one.
Yeah, not 90, not quite.
The number one.
Oh wait, yes it is. Yes, it is 90. It is 90. It is 90.
It doesn't let me
Wait.
write the answer.
Wait, no. It's...
It does not let me write the answer.
Let me put it on a new page because it might just be that page that's dodgy. Oh my god, keeps picking an email address. What's going on? Screenshot.
Okay, 90.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I can't write on it again. I think I know why.
Click off the picture. So
It doesn't say I'm holding picture. Look, now that's all there. I'm trying to draw. Okay,